Guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today is gonna be a full day of eating, and I want to say sorry because I forgot to film before when I was eating. I just ate like a cup of honeydew melon, and now I'm gonna prep some chicken, and that's gonna be my next meal. And I'm gonna leave, like cook chicken for tomorrow. So today is a day off from work because yesterday I cut my finger really bad. I was cutting ham in a ham slicing machine, like doing this, and then I literally sliced my finger, like this whole part over here, it's gone. So now I have to take care of my finger and my hand, and I have the day off for today. Not working today. Maybe tomorrow, but not today. And that kind of makes me happy but sad at the same time because I sliced my finger and I can work out. Like the nurse, my aunt is a nurse, and she was the one who was with me at the emergency room. So she told me I can work out like until my finger is good. So that's kind of sucks, but I just gotta do it. So I'm gonna cook that chicken, and then I'll see you guys in the next meal. Here we have some slice of bread, some chicken, and a little bit of mayonnaise. This is like an appetizer for my other meal, but this is some chicken that was left over from yesterday dinner, and my grandma told me to eat it, so I'm gonna eat it while the other chicken is cooking. So right now I'm taking a walk because as I told you guys before, I can't work out but I can walk. So I just came here to walk a little bit, play some ball, and I don't know, just keep moving because you have to keep moving. So I just came here and now I'm gonna play a little bit. Now we're gonna have a little snack. This is an alfajor. Um, all this is two cornstarch cookies with a layer of dulce de leche. Here in Chile, dulce de leche is actually called manjar. It's the same thing. So two cornstarch cookies, a layer of manjar, and it's covered in chocolate. It's really good. 87 calories. It's amazing. So the next thing I'm gonna eat is an humita, and what a humita is just mashed corn with salted onions and this like you make the form like a bow tie, and you put it in the corn leaf, and then you wrap it and boil, and you put it to boil, and that's it. It's like pretty similar to a tamale, but without meat and without flour, so it's pretty good. um Here we eat it with sugar on it, and it's amazing, guys. It's really simple, but it's really really delicious. The next thing I'm gonna eat is this peach puree. It's actually pretty good. So my aunt just changed my patch. This one is a tiny bit smaller than the other one. She says my finger is healing alright, so tomorrow she will change my patch again. I'm not gonna lie, that hurts. It hurts a lot when she change the patch, but she says that I'm pretty brave, so I just was there, like looking at my phone to not feel the pain, kind of. But it was alright, and now I'm gonna eat that, and then I see you guys in the next meal. Guys, so the last meal is just gonna be the same exact meal that I had for lunch, the half of the chicken with bread, tomato, some lettuce, and now I'm gonna drink tea. So that's it. Now I just wanna say thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you made it to this point, you're a real one, and thank you so much for being here, for being my supporter. I really enjoy vlogging for you, so this day was pretty fun. So see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourself and just be happy.